this node is like given. So next node, which is because the node is we know the node, and the node next is this node. We have to delete the node in such a way that this value should be matched this. So I'm supposing this is matching this or somewhere in between. Okay, so the node before this one needs to be deleted, but how should we know that this node will be into this node? Your voice is not coming. Your voice is not coming in the background. Your voice is moving. Okay.
I'm not personal building. I'm not personal building. I'm not personal building. I'm not personal building.
What's going on? I stopped the background music. I hope it should be okay. Is this clear now? Is my voice clear now? Let me check. Is this clear now? Is my voice clear now? Let me check. Is this clear now? Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? What the fuck, this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the vo Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? The fuck this MacBook. voice clear? The fuck this MacBook. Hello, hello. Is the voice clear? The fuck this MacBook. Is it good? Is it good now, or is it still stuck? If anybody is listening. I don't want screen noise. Mic I
I
want.
want.
I
I
hope it
hope it
should be
should be
fine
fine
now.
now.
Is it
Is it
fine?
fine?
Hello,
Hello,
hello.
hello.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
back to
back
the
to the
question.
question.
Development.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Where
Where
is
is
this
this
mic auxiliary?
scenario? This will be better. Okay, so we have this node. What I got some idea, but I forgot. This next node is known, and the previous node of this one is the one that we need to delete, but there is no previous here or here something. So mm, so what we can do, assign assign this value to this. What's the point of assigning this value to this, or even this assigning this value to this one? There's no point. My MacBook is like something. I'm still there is no first note given that what's the point of having the linked list? Uh, the normal delete needs one point to change that I know. So what's the point in set? There's only two things that I can do. If you go by that, I can I can push these values of the given node. I'll mention here to whoever watching. This is like given node shit. This is like given my something happened to my math. It's lagging. This is given node, and I can push this value to this or this value to this. Uh, so if we assign this next node to this one, so the given node will come here. Okay. So this one become the given node. Then again, if we so we can again pass this value here. So the node will come here. The node will come here. Then this. So the ones which is last become null. So it's saying grab the next node. Next is equal to node dot next. If next is equal to you are stuck here. I'm still not sure how this is like. Still saying the node value, then the node next. There is some discussion. The API contains only one parameter, but don't we require at least two parameters, one being the list itself, one being the node. That I thought in the beginning, the node with the value delete. Can someone explain? You just need to copy next to it. Don't give me answer. I have next node. So yeah, what I was thinking, what if, yeah, what if I copy next node into this, so our node becomes next node. What's next? You cannot touch anything before node. That's true. So stop thinking about pointer around the node. You think about changing the node itself. Yeah, I can keep changing this node once this is node then. mm, Then maybe again I can call this function delete node with node recursively. Let's see what maybe Stack Overflow. Cannot read field next because parameter is null. Yeah. Uh, null. If node equal to null, only we can assign this if the next node dot next is not equal to null, then only maybe assign this. But what's the best condition? So we need recursion. Oh, this is unwanted. Yeah. Till this, I think this is right. Or this variable only changing, but then uh, what would the next node become? So next node dot next. Here's the solution diagram relating a node when you are given only that node and it's singly linked list. So you are given a pointer to node, the one you want to delete. Unique node become next. With the next value into nodes and step next. Same as object. Next values. If I only copy value, what will happen? Letting the pointers Oh, it turned 4119. Something happened. So I have to do this one more time till the node next. Maybe we can next node value. So 5 is actually removed. If you see, this is a partial success. Uh, but I didn't understand what I did. So, so this is so this is a node. Yeah, this is a node, and then there is this. Then there is this given node, given node. We are getting this value and pushing this into this one only value. So this node becomes here only, but value is next and pointing to this only. So this node basically overridden on this one. Next, how so? There can be two nodes pointing to this. So ideal, so logically it became this node, but value this. So this value is removed. This part I understood. Okay. So this part is clear now. So what we did, we placed this given node onto this with this. So we have like same value repeated. Now what should we do next so that one of the node among these two will be removed completely from this one. So this next is this. Okay. So if we get the value in this one, uh, maybe current, maybe this next, my writing is so difficult on this one. So what we have here is like, let's know, we have next node and next node, what's this next that we know. Uh, we want next node, what next? So if we take we new next is equal to new node dot next, new node next, and then this next node this next node dot value becomes this new next dot value. So this value will come here. Let's try without like any loop. So it's like similar to this, we'll loop it, then maybe we take new next and let's see what happens. New next is equal to next node dot next, and this next node dot value is equal to new next dot value. Let's see what happens to the output. Null cannot read field because it's null. Here we'll need condition maybe. If not to null, okay, it 4119. So we have to mark this as new next dot next is equal to null. Okay, the node will be deleted, I guess, then for the first one. Oh, it didn't delete. Okay, new next, no, new next node dot next is equal to null. Why it didn't happen? First test case is passed. The first one that we want actually 4519. Yeah, 5 and then okay, I kind of understood the logic. So we have to write a loop for this thing. Node value dot next node is this, okay, and then uh while, so we need a while here, while this condition not null, while this is not null, what we have to do, uh we have to maybe this similar logic we write in this one, uh, uh this, then no next. It only work for profile. Why the song is breaking? MacBook is literally lagging. Why it's lagging this much? Why it's a difficult charge? You only write Java. Go to task. Yeah, I'm writing it currently in Java for now. So the logic is this: we have to move this next element uh, to current, and then once it reaches the last, we have to discard this next and remove this element completely. This is the logic that we want. It worked for when there are two elements, so we have to replicate this logic. Okay, so this logic is working. We have to make it dynamic. This logic worked because in the first we wanted this element. So what we did, we got the next element, the next element's value is pushed to this 5, so it became 4119. Okay, so it became, if I write it here, so it became here. So first it became like 4119, 411, and 9. Then what we did, uh, we just copied this data back. So we then got this 9 into this, and then we just discarded this element. This is how we deleted it. Think, Rohit, think how you can replicate the same logic which is worked for this case. This list new node is equal to, mm, I have to maybe move all the logic inside this while node value next should be inside this. Okay, while next node is this, and then next node should also change, na? Uh, so next node value is equal to new next value, and next node dot next is equal to what it returned to me for. Bro, I'm not able to write think in the terms of loop for this one. This line is correct. Good wall. So we got this, and then this, and then then we got this value inside this. So ideally, this node is removed, but the length is not reduced. So this becomes this next node. So uh, this become next node value. Okay. And the next node's next value will hit it, will put it back in the next node, and then we'll just discard the next node equal to. Okay, this so for writing the loop, what we can do is like let this next that will be two and then that. This is correct logic. This is correct logic. Uh what I'm what's the mistake that I'm doing here? Mm, 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 mm. Actually, this next node is not changing if I think logically. So the next node should change, no? We didn't move this next node and and this next we can have this as it is maybe and if suppose in new next dot next is equal to null, then in this case only in this case only make it null. It's val only. It's value only. And then new next. I think I'm reaching quite I'm very near the solution. Next node dot value. I don't think this is required. The ChatGPT is saying I don't need a loop. I just need this node. So this new node value next node. This is correct. We were here, and mm, then this node next plus something we have to do. Node next is equal to uh next node dot next maybe. This is no environment. Okay, to work. So this node, next node, and then node next node value. Did anybody help me here? Mm, So we are ideally taking the next node value and next node next is equal to next. So let's draw it again. So there are nodes. There are nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, भाई क्या सिखा रहा है? हाँ भाई मैं कुछ सिखा नहीं रहा हूँ मैं खुद सीख रहा हूँ यार learn the read the title na learning Java so I've recently started learning Java. Wait, let me turn off the music and explain if the music is too loud. So I recently started learning Java, but due to time constraints and all, I wasn't consistent. Hence, I'm trying to learn it in the public so that I can remember all the concepts and all. So मैं डेली बेसिस पे कुछ एक टॉपिक लेता हूँ, जैसे कि आज का टॉपिक लिंक लिस्ट है, and try to go in depth in that particular topic, read some things, solve some lead code questions, and that's it. I'll do for almost all the topics that have 27 total topics. I'll cover all those, and once that is done, I'll go into dynamic programming using Java. Side by side, I'm doing Spring Boot as well, but this is important. Like DSA is important. Spring Boot, though, I can do at any time. It's not a big deal. And then maybe in between, I'll create some projects. I'm right now creating some projects, but it's still in the learning phase. So once I get a good hands on that, I'll do some project as well online, like while on the stream. I have very good one idea that I want to implement. I did that using uh, Next.js. So I'm good at JavaScript. I'm currently front-end developer, so I used to solve everything using JavaScript, but now I want to do it using Java. So I created a sample project for that one. Now I'll do that project using Java. It's very good project actually. It's good, very a really good project, and it's we can use it for day-to-day tasks. It will make our life easy. Okay, so मैं कहाँ था यहाँ पे? Okay, so this is the linked list. We don't have this linked list. First of all, what we have only a node given. This whose value is v. Okay, and the next is this node that we know next. Okay, so what we did, we copied this value, we got in this one. So this value becomes, so this value becomes next. Okay, so now we have two same elements like this 4119 stage we have reached. So this become next. So basically, and this next is still this. We didn't change this pointer. So basically what it means, we have picked up this element and put it on here. So this is nothing but just placing this element over here. So we don't need to show this separately. So we can erase this one. We can erase this whole thing. Okay. So next and next का नोड का नेक्स्ट भी है भाई मुझे भी सीखनी है शुरुआत कहाँ से करूँ भाई जहाँ अपन जिस लेवल पे वहीं से शुरुआत करना पड़ता है सो इट डिपेंड्स तुम्हें क्या सीखना है व्हाट डू यू वांट टू लर्न टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट टू लर्न स्पेसिफिकली व्हाट इज योर करंट स्टेट आर यू इन कॉलेज आर यू करंटली वर्किंग or you are working in some other industry or something, then we can discuss further where from where you can start. What's your name? Divyam Batra. Okay, next, and here is some value. Maybe we'll take it as x. So we have this to now. If we see the value initially v value is deleted from this linked list. Now we have this. We have to move this value here. 12th, and I want to learn Python. Why everybody want to learn Python? Tell me the reason, Divyam. Tell me the reason why you want to learn Python. I want to know you if you are in 12th and you want to learn Python. Please explain why. So we have to take this x in this one. So what we'll do, we'll move this next and take this x in this one. Now we still have the same number of elements in this. This, and this. This one and this one are same. So now this is unwanted ना. तो फैमिली मैन के डायलॉग की तरह अगर so there are two same elements, then one of these is unnecessary now. So we have to remove this one. So simply this next is equal to null. So this whole part is removed. Simple. So this one is removed. And hence, like this, we deleted the element successfully. मेरे आगे मुझे आगे बीसीए करनी है तो करके सोच रहा हूँ कुछ तो करके मैंने आगे बीसीए करनी है तो करके सोच रहा हूँ कुछ तो करके जाऊं भाई पाइथन पाइथन ही क्यों चूज किया मैं तुम्हें पता तो तुम्हारी थिंकिंग कहाँ गलत है व्हाई यू हैव चूजन पाइथन मैं बताता हूँ तुमने पाइथन क्यों चूज किया होगा ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट पे इतने सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि पाइथन आसान है पाइथन इज इजी पाइथन यू डोंट हैव टू नो एनीथिंग टू यूज पाइथन ऐसा सब सुन के पढ़ के तुम लोग सब बोलते हो कि आई वांट टू लर्न पाइथन टेल मी इफ दिस इज द रीजन देन आई विल टेल यू कि व्हाई दिस इज रॉन्ग आज पहली बार डीएसए का सम वाला क्वेश्चन नाइस यार नाइस शुरुआत तो वहीं से करनी पड़ती है मैंने भी वहीं से की है अभी भी उसके आसपास ही हूँ मैं okay so converting this to our code what I just explained to myself is like this list node next अपन ने पहले वो नोड नेक्स्ट नोड ले लिया नेक्स्ट नोड वाला ये वाला नोड हमने ले लिया ठीक है देन वो वैल्यू ले ली पहले हमने अपन को पहले मैं आपकी एडवाइस मैं आप ही एडवाइस दे दो कुछ बड़े भाई बनकर ट्राई अनदर अप्रोच भाई ये अप्रोच तक आने में मुझे आधा घंटा लग गया का और इससे क्वेश्चन ये दो टेस्ट केसेस ये हो गई क्योंकि ये भाई ने यहाँ पे बहुत ही बढ़िया ये लिखा था आई आई शो यू पहले क्वेश्चन देखो डिलीट नोड पे और इसका ये देखो ये भाई ने क्या लिखा है हाउ टू बिकम अनदर पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड टू स्टेप्स वन चेंज योर अपीयरेंस टू whom you want to be to kill that person this guy deserves a vote okay नोड वैल्यू नेक्स्ट नोड में ले ली और फिर नोड नेक्स्ट में मतलब जो पॉइंटर है वो अगले वाले पॉइंटर पे शिफ्ट कर दिया दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग और जो नेक्स्ट वाला है अपने आप ही उसको मिल जाएगा back to this Divyam Batra. Let's try submitting this and meanwhile I'll answer this. Divyam Batra, why see always go with the basics. I'll suggest you are in the 12th standard, not in like college graduate or something that you have to learn something. Learn the basics now. बेसिक्स ही नहीं पता है और तुम पाइथन सीखने जाओगे तो तुम कितना भी ट्राई कर लो पाइथन नहीं सीख पाओगे you should know how oops works, how C, C++, or take any oops language and you should know how it works. The basic, how memory allocation works, everything. Even if you learn Python and simple, if you try a project like a simple calculator, then also you will not be able to understand how that code is working. Devashish, you can suggest another approach. Tell me what approach should I take, then I can try with that. This solution is worked. beats 100%. So this is the best solution so far. Pros, तो पहले क्या करूं? भाई पहले 12th पे फोकस करो। 12th हो गई है, अभी तुम 12th में हो, तो उस पे फोकस करो। तुम्हारा जो बोर्ड्स एग्जाम होगा उसमें अच्छे मार्क्स, जो भी तुम एग्जाम दे रहे हो उसके लिए आई हैड, उस पे फोकस करो 12th 12 का। वो सब पाइथन वगैरह सीखना, जो भी तुम्हें सीखना है ग्रेजुएशन के लिए, वो तुम अपना एग्जाम्स खत्म होने के बाद 2 महीना मिलेगा कॉलेज सिलेक्शन के बीच में, तब कर लेना। अभी फोकस करो अच्छे से, अपना बोर्ड्स निकालो, अच्छे मार्क्स ले आओ, क्योंकि जितना अच्छे मार्क्स ले आओगे, मतलब जो भी तुम एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग जस्ट बोर्ड्स, मे बी जी और समथिंग इन अदर एग्जाम, और उसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्क्स ले आओ तो तुम अच्छे कॉलेज में जाओगे। अच्छे कॉलेज में जाना जरूरी है क्योंकि तुम अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहोगे। तुमसे होशियार लौंडे आजू बाजू में होंगे तो तुम भी अच्छी चीजें सीखोगे। I had started Java, but due to mid-sem end, due to that gap, I just lost the thing which I learned. Now continuously learning and covering the reverse sidewise. I'm in second semester. Yes, 100% true, man. I had started Java due to mid. No, that is okay if you are in you are just in second semester. Keep learning, like keep doing concepts and all, no? Keep solving questions. It's not like you will forget it. Coding is not like that. You are forgetting. Uh, तुम भूल गए हो जो भी तुमने किया था, इसका मतलब तुमने अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया था, अच्छे से उसको यूज नहीं किया था, तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो नहीं घुसा था, इसलिए तुम भूल गए। अब ये लिंक लिस्ट वगैरह ये सब चीजें मैंने जावा में नहीं की थी, लेकिन जब मैंने किया था सी प्लस प्लस में तो उसका मैप दिमाग में छप गया है। सो वो माइंड मैप भी फॉलो करेंगे तो लैंग्वेज अपने आप अडेप्ट हो जाएगी। So that means somewhere you have missed while you were doing it for the first time. एंड जो भी लौंडे लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं ना, मैं देख रहा हूँ जब से मैं स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ, खास करके 12 के कम है, लेकिन कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर ये वाले बहुत है। और जो फर्स्ट ईयर फर्स्ट सेम सेकंड सेम में उनको पता नहीं क्या ये है, लीड कोड प्रोफाइल रिव्यू। भाई मैंने लीड कोड अभी ही चालू किया है, मैंने कुछ 20 क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व किए हैं बस। इन लोगों को जो फर्स्ट सेकंड सेमेस्टर में, उनको चाहिए कि मैं जल्दी जल्दी आगे की चीजें सीख लूं, जावा कर लो, पाइथन कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो, सब कुछ, लेकिन जो अभी हाथ में है उस पर फोकस नहीं कर रहे। तुम लोग कॉलेज में हो, तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये भी है कि तुम कॉलेज लाइफ भी एंजॉय कर लो भाई। बस यही नहीं कि ये भी पढ़ना है वो भी पढ़ना है, सब कुछ करना है। आप अपने कहाँ से? मैं कहाँ से हूँ? मैं पुणे से हूँ यार। प्रथमेश गुरव। किसको मैं आंसर दे रहा था यार, मैं भूल गया उसका नाम। प्रो 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 ऐसे, और जो भी पाइथन वगैरह बोल रहा था, भाई स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स फर्स्ट, बेसिक्स कर लो। मुझे भी जब सी मैं भी शुरुआत में, मैं बताता हूँ मेरी खुद की कहानी, मैं नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हूँ। भाई मैं भी पुणे से। नाइस यार, पुणे में कहाँ से हो? नाम क्या है तुम्हारा? प्रो सी यू, ये तो नाम नहीं है, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा एक्चुअल में? मैं मेरी भी कहानी बताता हूँ। ऐसे ही मैं तुम्हारी एक बहुत बड़ा कंसेप्ट जो पाइथन वाले चिल्ला रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, मैं उनका एक वहम दूर करता हूँ कि पाइथन इज वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज नॉट टू लर्न बट टू कोड। मतलब जो लोगों का लोगों ने उस चीज को गलत समझ लिया है ना कि पाइथन पाइथन आसान है, आसान है। पाइथन सीखने के लिए आसान नहीं है, पाइथन लिखने के लिए आसान है, तुम्हें कम कोड लिखना पड़ता है। सीखने का तो कर सेम ही है, उसमें भी तुम्हें सारे कंसेप्ट सीखने ही पड़ेंगे, ऊप्स वगैरह ये सब चीजें, बेसिक चीजें, डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल, ये सब तुम्हें पता ही होना चाहिए। ये सब नहीं पता और तुम सीधा पाइथन सीख के तुम कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे। मैंने 2 बार खुद से पाइथन सी प्लस प्लस पढ़े बिना ट्राई किया, मेरे से हुआ ही नहीं, कुछ भी मैं नहीं कर पाया पाइथन सीख के, तो चुपचाप मैंने फिर सी प्लस प्लस ये सब चीजें अच्छे से की। उसके बाद पाइथन के अभी कुछ भी हम विद इन 15 to 20 days वी कैन अडेप्ट। पीयूष, यू आर फ्रॉम वाकड़। नाइस। वाकड़ में यू आर वर्किंग और यू आर इन कॉलेज और व्हाट? आपने कौन सी डिग्री की हुई है? मैंने बीटेक किया हुआ है। मेरा नॉन टेक से है बीटेक, मेरा कंप्यूटर साइंस आईटी इसमें से नहीं है। आप कहाँ से हो और होम और कौन से कंपनी में हो? आ, मैं ना स्ट्रीम पे ये बोल नहीं सकता, यू कैन चेक माई लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल ना। अच्छा, यू आर इन फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ विच कॉलेज? पीयूष, मैं पुणे से हूँ प्रथमेश। कंपनी यू कैन चेक माई प्रोफाइल ऑन लिंक्डइन। Currently I'm working as a front end developer. First year, nice year. JS QM। यार मुझे पुणे के कॉलेजेस इतने पता नहीं है। मैंने मुंबई से किया हुआ है ग्रेजुएशन। JS PM RCOE, राजश्री शाहू कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग तातवड़े। अच्छा, तातवड़े, ओके। हाउ अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट्स? पुणे से हो तो कोई इशू नहीं है, तुम्हें बहुत सारी कंपनीज मिलेगी इसके लिए, प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए। Do you guys have something to show, like some projects, profile, portfolio, lead code profile I can see? Okay, so where was I? So this drivers list. हमने क्या किया अभी? Deleting a node. This is done. This question is done. Mm, find the length of the linked list without traversal. क्या लिखा था? Learn traversal. तातोड़े, नाइस। फर्स्ट ईयर, एंजॉय कॉलेज यार, एंजॉय कॉलेज, पढ़ाई भी करो, एंजॉय भी करो। आगे आगे ज्यादा मत जाओ। जो चीजें अपने हाथ में फिलहाल उसको अच्छे से करना बहुत जरूरी है। Problem statement, given the head linked list, print the length. So this is like simple, we have to traverse uh, from the head, from this head, then we'll take this head in the current will move till the current dot next is not null. We have to keep a counter and then add plus plus. So explanation, the list is total 4 node, thus 4. Any questions? Any more questions? Then I can move to the next thing. If not, the simple idea to solve this problem, initialize a temporary pointer to the head. Yes, the temporary pointer will be used to traverse the list, correct? Traverse the linked list until the current node is not null, correct? At every node, increment the count, yeah, after reaching this. Yeah, okay. This code, just have a look at the code. Bye, भैया. Good day. जब लास्ट में बाय बोलते हैं ना, तब गुड नाइट बोला करते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स द एंड ऑफ द डे। सो बाय पीयूष, गुड नाइट। Linked list int count 0 temp head while temp not equal to this count plus plus and temp equal to temp next. We have to traverse and then return count. Okay, this is cool. This is not much. Search an element in linked list. दिव्याम दिव्याम गायब हो गया मेरे ख्याल से उसको मैंने ज्यादा ही बोल दिया कुछ. And please, whoever I forgot to tell, whoever is new here, please do like the stream if you are like into solving lead code questions and everything, into coding basically. Do like the stream. If not, if you don't know what these things are and you don't care, then please don't like, just visit and then you can leave. I don't like to. Okay, anyways, yes. Search an element in the linked list. So how we can search given the head of the linked list and an integer value. Find same we have to traverse, and whenever we find the value, we have to break the loop and then the element is found. So in this case, what would be the time complexity big of O n because we are traversing all the n elements. So this is very time consuming process. To check if an element is present in the linked list, traverse the entire list at every node, check whether the data matches, initialize temporary pointer, this. Okay, this is no big deal. We'll mark this. Insert introduction to linked list. Yeah, we read this. Learn about struct and how a node. Did they use struct in this code? Class node, there's no struct used, no? Why they said struct? Maybe in C++ they have used struct, no? Class. Python, no. In JavaScript, there is no. Okay. So whoever is new, please do like the stream. It's really important that I need to connect to the similar minded people. If you are into coding somewhat, then do like the stream. Inserting node in the linked list. Close this, close this, close this. This question is really good, middle of the linked list. I have to solve this. There are three approaches that we can follow. So I'll come to this. First, I'll finish all the basic fundamentals of this linked list. Then, yeah, then medium problems are this. What the fuck? So this delete node is like medium difficulty. Okay, the difficulty is medium. And they give in this list in the basics one, in the basic category. And when the medium problem started, middle of the linked list, this middle of linked list is of easy category. Wow. And insert insert at the head of the linked list. So while inserting at the head of the linked list, what we have to do, we have to create a new node with the given value and the new and nodes next will point to head. That's it. Approach to insert a new node with a value before the head of create a new node with the given value and point it to the node to the head. This node will be the new head of the linked list. Create a new node and then this point. Yeah, let's see code quickly and then we can move ahead, not to invest so much time in this one. Guys, please do like the stream. Simple. Bye. Divyam Batra. Bye. Good night and focus on your 12th. Don't focus on what you have to do in BC and all. Focus on getting good marks first. What exam, preliminary exam you have to give to get into BC? I'm not sure about that one. If you are still there, you can tell me. Uh, class node, no. What was this? Adding in the first, adding this element in the beginning of the linked list. Constructor, this node, no. Insert node head. New node this head. Mm, ठीक है. Whoever is new to the stream, please do like the stream. It's very important. I don't like to say it again and again, but it's required somehow. So do like the stream because I am seeing the similar kind of people are getting connected. So it's very important for the algorithm. Uh, so which question should we solve first? How much? It's 1:30. Oh man, I think I need to sleep. I'll just put this question in my mind and then I can sleep. Stop the music. Okay, this question. Let's read the question. In middle of the linked list, given the head of the simply linked list to return the middle node. Simply, we have to find the middle node. So if there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. In this case, there are two, like the number of nodes are even. In this case, 3 and 4 will be middle. So we have to return the second, which is the 4. In this case, constraints the number of nodes in the list is in the range. Is my voice not coming through mic? Is it coming from this MacBook? Mac. Hello, hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Fine. Yeah, it's fine. The voice is fine. Whoever is new, please do like the stream. It's very much required. Okay, so how we will solve this? The first approach that came to my mind is like two pointer approach. Like have a pointer on this side, have a pointer on this side. So maybe if I can copy this image, if I can take it here, I can clear the canvas, paste this image. Yeah, so image is here, and then what we can do is like mm, we can we can have two pointer, like one pointer will here and one pointer will be here, and then we'll traverse here, 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 and here. Once this a pointer's value and b pointer value are equal, then we found the middle. That's the logic came to my mind first when I saw this problem. So while solving these problems, I am understanding like the way to solve this. First we have to find the
basic logic, like kind of brute force, or maybe the first thing that comes to mind, and then refine on that if that is correct. If not, we have to exclude, like trial and error, exclude the wrong answers. Currently I'm taking help of ChatGPT wherever is necessary. Okay. This is a this is a and what if in the other case, but I know this solution is not correct completely, like not uh, there is slow and fast two pointer approach as well, like slow and fast approach. Oh, is it stuck? Is my screen stuck? My screen is stuck. The reasons why I don't like MacBook, it's very unpredictable. I hope my screen is visible. I saw many people came and left because the screen wasn't visible. They were like, what's going on? Yeah, now screen is visible. So whoever is new, I'll reiterate on what I was trying to do. How much problem have you solved? On the streams I have solved 20 problems till now. I solved only 20 problems. What's your name? Uh, Vidit Ramani. I guess your name is Vidit Ramani. I've just recently started this with it, so I have solved 20 problems. If you have solved some good problems, you can share your profile. We can see it and get inspired from that. I have seen people solve 100, 200 questions as well. Okay, back to the logic. What logic I was trying to build. Again, for this one, uh, we can again take a pointer here, A, and a pointer here, B. Okay, and same we will traverse. Same we can traverse and traverse. भाई मैं KNIT सुल्तानपुर से. बढ़िया यार. KNIT सुल्तानपुर. Let me search it. कमला नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी सुल्तानपुर. कॉलेज तो बढ़िया लग रहा है. सजेस्ट मी सम एडवाइस ब्रदर. एडवाइस ऑन व्हाट? Advice on what? Tell me what you are doing. In which year are you in? What new thing you are trying to learn? Then I'll tell you something. So we will traverse like this. Here, and then this one here, and here. But when the problem will arise, because there are 6 elements, so when this will come here, we will be at this. So at this point it will go here and it will go here, so this condition will never arise. A will never equal to B in this one. So based on that, maybe we have to iterate 1 2 2 फ्यूचर. भाई कितना वेग क्वेश्चन पूछा है तुमने. फ्यूचर, नीड सम एडवाइस ब्रदर. अबाउट व्हाट? अबाउट फ्यूचर इंजीनियरिंग. कोई नहीं. तुम्हारी स्ट्रीम कौन सी है? कौन सी ब्रांच में हो अभी तुम? कंप्यूटर साइंस, आईटी और मैकेनिकल और अदर ब्रांच? वो बताओ, तब मैं थोड़ा कुछ और बता सकता हूँ अजय। इन एआई, ओके। मैंने सुना था कोई कोई कॉलेज में ये, तुम बीटेक कर रहे हो, बीटेक इन एआई, इज देयर अ ब्रांच कॉल्ड एआई? इन इंजीनियरिंग इन एआई, तुम्हें एआई में कुछ करना है या एआई क्या, तुम्हें नहीं समझ, कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं। सजेस्ट मी सम एडवाइस ब्रदर। एआई में देखो, एआई में एडवाइस चाहिए, एआई में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन आई सजेस्ट एआई इज़ ओनली मैकेनिकल, बट आई एम लर्निंग पाइथन अगेन। अ पाइथन गाय, अभी जस्ट मैंने एक बंदे को पाइथन का पूरा ज्ञान दिया था। अगेन यू आर न्यू गाय इन पाइथन। टेल मी वाई अजय, तुम हिंदी हो ना, तुम्हें मुझे ये बताओ, तुम्हें पाइथन क्यों सीखना है? तुम मैकेनिकल में हो, क्या रीज़न है पाइथन सीखने के पीछे, तुम्हारा क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है? अगर वो बताओगे तो मैं और तुम्हें बता सकता हूँ। सिंपल क्वेश्चन, वाई डू यू वांट टू लर्न पाइथन बट इंटरेस्टेड इन एआई? There is no correlation what you are saying and what you want to do. मैकेनिकल से हो और एआई में क्या करना चाहते हो? There are so many different types of use cases. What specific use case you are trying to focus on? In mechanical, what type of AI or what type of use case you are interested? Recently in one of the exhibition in Europe, a guy presented to build AI systems. बड़ी तुम जो बोल रहे हो ना, वो प्रैक्टिकल स्टैंड प्रैक्टिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत दूर है अजय। To build AI systems is a still very vague thing to think about. You have to be very specific about what you want to build AI systems. You are in mechanical, interested in AI, so please elaborate more. We'll get to the point where I can help you, but please be more elaborative. To build AI systems, of what kind of AI systems? You want to skip your branch, like you don't want to work in mechanical and move to some other field and work there. With it, I am in fourth same, and uh, recently started LeetCode from Strivers, and it's tough. Give me some advice, bro. There is no shortcut. I am also struggling here. We have to go through it. Uh, I'll tell you one thing. Just let me pause this music. This is too much. With it, I'll suggest you, because you said you are in the fourth same, so it's just maybe another same till you reach to your placements. As a fresher, as a fresher, your goal, if your goal is to get into a job, then the companies will not ask you many in-depth questions, like not even the higher side algorithm. They will ask you the basic questions, as in like array manipulations, string manipulations kind of questions will be asked 70% times. Okay, in most of the placements. So, and even before that, you have to clear the aptitude test. So I'll suggest you focus on solve some aptitude questions, quantitative aptitude, and all this. There is this site I forgot I used to use while I was doing play. I was preparing for the placement. Something for aptitude. It's very popular site. You must know that. Solve some questions there. Do hacker rank. Don't do lead code. Lead code is too much sometimes. Go to hacker rank and solve some questions, basic simple questions from there, because if the company is taking some coding round, then they'll mostly conduct the exams on hacker rank or hacker earth on these platforms, and the questions are usually not that difficult. So don't go into this much of difficulty, like hard questions. So firstly do basic hacker rank questions. I also did hacker rank question, and it was more than enough. And do your college project uh, very well. That do it very hands on. Don't use ChatGPT or AI to write code. Write each and everything by hand. Then only you will understand. Okay, and that will be enough to get you placed in a good company. Kishore, hello, hi, long time no see, Kishore. How are you? So with it, uh, again focus on basics. Don't go into like hard difficult questions. uh, Want to crack Mang. If your college placements like is invited, if these companies come to your college, Mang level companies, then you have to do lead code. uh, you have to do lead code first. Also you need to check your current eligibility for the placements for this Mang. I have heard, I have not given the Mang interview, so during the college, so you should know what are their criterias. Do you fulfill those all the criterias, like your pointer, or if you have any backlogs or what, or and your stream and everything. If everything fits, then yeah, you should focus on Mang and Mang preparation. There are so many people suggesting how to prepare for Mang. I won't be a good person of contact to help you regarding the Mang placement. I know many of my friends who gave interview, and when they shared, it was but for the experienced role. In that also they ask uh, this coding problems only, and they don't expect you to solve the problem end to end, but they expect you to be more elaborative. Just like this, I'm trying to explain each and every question, how a problem will be solved, and what would be your approach. So I know that these companies focus on your ability to solve the problems, and not sometimes solve the problems completely in the interview. So be more vocal. That's the only advice I can give you. Rest you can Google and get advice from other people. Do like the streams better, please guys. Whoever I'm giving so much time, please do like the stream. Okay, back to the problem. I did so much talking now. In this one, this is maybe called tortoise or something. In this, I'm not sure what's the exact algorithm, but I'll try to figure it out. We don't have to move both the pointers equally. We have to move one pointer fast and another pointer slow. So maybe if suppose if this is going one jump, if a pointer is jumping by one node, we have to jump this to with two nodes. One, sorry, one and two. This is one, two. Then also it's never an equal opportunity. Maybe we can start it from minus one position and then one. what to do when you get stuck in a problem? What's your approach? uh, I keep this problem in my mind for a whole day because I'm working. I have a board in my room. I write problem in that one, and I keep circling around that problem how I can solve. And sometimes if I'm completely off the track, I ask ChatGPT for hints, not the complete solution but hints. And I simply present my solution to ChatGPT and ask if I am I close, am I on the right track. If not, if ChatGPT tells no, you are not on the right track, this is the right track you should think on, then we have to discard the old thinking, we have to go by the new thinking. If we are on the right track, then yeah, keep thinking, we'll reach to solution at some point. Maybe it will take 1 day, 2 day, or sometimes 3 4 days, but yeah, the patience will be the key. Without thinking to the extreme, the thinking process ability uh, will not be formed. So if it starts this B pointer, so this we don't want, this we don't want. Okay, I can see so many people visiting. Please do like the stream, it is very important. It's very important for the algorithm. If you are into coding, if you are not into coding, then yeah, you can always choose to have just watch, don't like the stream and leave. Okay, if we start this a point later, like this will run first, we have reached this, and we are still at 6. Then this will be here, then this will be here, then this will be here, and then this will be here, and we will reach the point where both of them are same, and we will this. So maybe tortoise method is means this start, one will start late and one will start on time. So if we do the same approach with this one, this one will fail. So we have to first know the length. If uh, if length uh, if length is like odd, then we will use simple two pointer, simple two pointer. If length is different, okay, sorry, if length is even, in this case we will use tortoise. I'm saying tortoise pointer, I have to see what's the name for this one. I'll use tortoise pointer. Now the question, this is simple to implement. The question is how we will implement this one. In this one also we have to take this. So as they said, these two are middle ones, but return the fourth, the second element. So the B pointer, the second pointer will be the tortoise here, tortoise pointer, and this will be the normal pointer. Okay, I'm seeing people are not liking the stream. Please do like the stream, guys. I don't like to say this again and again. Whoever is new, please do like the stream. Kishore, if you are still here, you can help solving the problem. You are very good at these things. Given a head of a syncly linked list, return the middle node of the linked list. uh, शाम है जाम है छाया नशा तन भी है मन. Oh, how many people are subscribing? I got, let me check the stats. There are more people subscribed than the people liked today. What's going on? तन भी है मन भी है और छाया नशा. I got 10 subscribers in a single stream. What skill set for dream super dream placement? I'll tell you the current market condition, then you can decide what's your dream. As you said, you want to get placed into Mang or similar product based companies. I'm assuming that currently the market situation is as such. In the market, in the companies, people are seeing the front end is mostly written done by the AI copilot. So they are not emphasizing on the front end roles that much, and people are saying that for the back end you still need intervention, which I am not agreeing at any point, but this is the current scenario right now. So uh, in the job profiles, people, the interviewers, the companies are expecting you to be more good at the backend side. So backend is not just now confined to writing good APIs. The backend's extent has increased. You have to write good APIs with all the design principles followed, plus you should be able to design systems. This is very important right now. The interviewers, the companies are asking you to write good systems. Uh, then database, of course, backend APIs you are writing, you should know at least SQL databases, a good hands on that. Then the another most important thing is like Docker and Kubernetes. You should know at least how containers work, how what is Docker, how you can create image, how you can deploy your completely formed backend or maybe front end for that matter, and deploy it using Docker Kubernetes. So you should know these things, and this has become backend, and companies are emphasizing on the complete set of these 6 7 skills as a backend developer. So in Fang Mang as well, you will be more questioned on these things. Front end, yes, but I'm seeing front end is not being asked that much. Uh, we will go for tech stack stuff. Yeah, Thor, Thorfinn. So I have answered your question with it. What skill set dream for? I've told you the exact situation in the current market. What's being asked more? What's been asked less? What companies think will be done by AI, and what things will be left for the developers to do. So based on these things, you can carve your dream. What kind of job role you want? I didn't understand Thorfinn. We'll go for tech stack stuff. Yeah. Please do like the stream, guys. Please do like the stream. I can see more people are subscribing than liking the stream. I got 10 11 subscribers from single stream. So guys, do like the stream instead of subscribing. It will help to reach more people, more similar audience. What about other than man? If you have made your mind to be in the mang, then why are you thinking about others? Stick to your plan A. If you prepare for mang deliberately, then you will get into some good companies anyways. So don't change your path. You are on the right track. How much does project matters? Yeah, it matters a lot for a fresher, I'll tell you. Vaishnav Kanekar. Project matters a lot for a fresher. I'll tell you, I gave 6 7 interviews while fresher, and I did a Spring Boot project, Java backend. It was a Java backend, Spring Boot, and the front end was in Angular. In every interview, I have been asked questions on my project. 90% of the interview went on the project only. If you have done project very good, very deliberately, then you will be easily answer those questions. The basic question that every interviewer asked me, like how did you authenticate a user, what method you used, was it a get or post? I did use post, but everyone asked why didn't you use get, and can you send, how can you send user information over get call, so how you will authenticate. So every interviewer asked me these similar questions, so they are very into what project I did, how much understanding did I have. So project is important. Yeah bro, people are like texting here, so I'm answering them. I solved one question already, so I have taken some time in between. This question I just solved. My target is to like solve only one or two questions. Is DSA useful even after securing the job, or just required to clear the DSA round for the job? DSA is important. As much you go ahead, DSA is important. The good product companies still ask you about some DSA questions. Not like your complete interview will be based on DSA, but one or two questions will be asked for sure. Yeah, I'm solving it, bro. So I was like, pointer. What kind of pointer to have? So I was trying to this two pointer questions that I did. I have to see longest character. This type of question. Where is my solution? Submissions accepted. Code. Submissions. TypeScript. Java. I didn't submit it using Java. Hey, which problem I solved for two pointer? Yeah, this one I solved, I guess, using two pointer. No, this one I solved. Okay. जाने तो I'll solve this. Insert that. So we need actually two nodes in this one. The first pointer and the last pointer, maybe we'll take it as start and end. And as I explained there, so we have to keep this as a slower. The next one will be the slower. Okay. And head is fast or this one is fast? Guys, do like the stream. See, when I was talking here, uh, answering the questions, everybody was hinged. But once I back to solving the problem, which is the core of the stream, everybody left. What's going on? So maybe we can take this condition while start is not equal to end. We have to run this. Okay, but then we know for a reason that for this even linked list, this condition will never arise. But still, see, for some of the questions we'll solve this. So start, we have to move ahead. So start, we can take it as start next, and end is equal to we can't go back, so this end will not work. So this is the wrong approach. See, this is the wrong approach. I can't take B here, I have to take B here only, A and B. So A will traverse, B will traverse, A will go here, B will also go here. So A will go here slow 1, then B maybe will skip for 1, 2. So in the 3 they will both meet in this one. So this is not, if we take B here, it will go, it will go here, here and here, this, but B will go from here to here and here to here. On 3 they will all meet. So this is the new logic that we need to work on. So not start, not end, both will be start. So this will be slow and this will be fast. Okay, so start dot value not equal to not start, now it's slow. Arey deva. Slow dot value is not equal to fast dot value. Then till then we have to do this loop. Okay, so again this becomes slow and slow. Okay, and fast will be like we have to skip one. So so fast dot next ka next, we are skipping one. Okay, once we so return any of the node. So slow. Let's try this. Is anybody new here? Yeah, I'm Aditya Bira Biradar, I'm solving it, bro. It is fast. Not face, fast. It's equal to slow, fast. Error variable slow might not have been initialized. Acha, slow is equal to head. I'm really sorry, and fast is also equal to head. Why is this wrong? 1 2 3 4 5 output is input is head, this output is 3 4 5. Guys, do like the stream. Guys, do like the stream. It's very important. I don't like to say this again and again, but it ऐसे करना पड़ता है. Guys, do like the stream. Fast, when I returned fast, then one test case passed. Why? Three, four, five. 3 4 5. Fast and slow both are same. Why it passed one test case while failed when I use slow? Why so? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? My audience is asleep now. Can somebody tell me why this is happening? Slow dot value equal to fast dot value. When that happens, then we'll break this loop. So what's the problem? We have to also check for this. Are these not null? Irita. Let's ask ChatGPT what's wrong here. Hey ChatGPT, what's wrong here? What's wrong? Suddenly all the people left. They don't like uh, they don't like me while writing the code, or what? They just want me to talk non-stop. The code problem is wrong loop condition. Why? ChatGPT is saying this is wrong. The condition is invalid for finding the middle. Why? You are comparing values, not positions or pointers. uh, yeah, linked list values can repeat. So instead of this, what if we do this? Next is equal to next. Erita, 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 erita. What actually happens with this condition? Normal list with different values. While maybe if we take this, fast will become null first. Why so? If fast is also not equal to null, in this case, yeah, it worked. Guys, its question is solved. Please do like the stream. It's very important now. But I still think we need this condition. Slow dot next. Slow dot next uh, equal to fast dot next. There are suddenly more people when I'm done with the question. Now there are people. Mm. Guys who are new, please do like the stream. It's very important. I don't like to say this again and again, but it is required. It is must, so that the algorithm connects all the similar minded people. Whoever is interested in solving lead code questions, they will be suggested with this stream. I bought Apna college batch. Now I'm placed 2000 CPA. What is CPA? 200 CPA. CPA means, bro, just go for Apna college and buy batch and definitely will crack top companies. Okay, bro. I'm currently in a good top company, so I'm currently working in a good company. It's not an issue. Crore per, oh bapre, 200 crore per annum. DR Ventures message retracted. Acha. I bought अपना college batch. Now I'm placed. Is it a, like, are you joking or what? 200 crore per annum. Samrat coder. Hmm. I'm doing some courses. Kul, what's your name? Kulal Sushma. I'm watching online videos and all. I'm doing some lectures as well wherever I want. अच्छा जो या ब्रो 200 crore पर annum अगर कोई कंपनी देती. I recently met my company's CEO. Maybe even he will not earn that much. He might not be earning 200 crore per annum. Nice joke, bro. At like 2:30 a.m. in the morning. Tell me why this condition shouldn't be here. Which DSA stuff you followed for cracking job? The first job when I was fresher. I just did hacker rank questions with C++, and that was enough for me. I'm seriously telling you. Hacker rank was more than enough for me at that time. I recently started with LeetCode, but hacker rank was my go-to before, and I did good. Uh, what was the project name? I did good Java Spring Boot project, CRM project it was. So it was a very good project, and it really helped me to crack the interview. Do like the stream, guys, and somebody please tell me why this condition is not required here. If I run this, it will fail. Yeah. Let's connect on LinkedIn. Just guide me. I'm sure you can ping me on LinkedIn. There's no issue. Many uh, many people have connected me over LinkedIn while streaming. I'll share you my LinkedIn profile. Just don't ping me on Instagram. Erita, Erita, Erita. What I'm currently building LeetCode backend. Okay, nice, yeah. What college or are you in college or currently working? Samrat, tell me your story. Are you in college or you are currently working? In which stage of life you are currently in, so that we can talk better. ChatGPT, please help me here. Why this condition is not required? This shows you are really problem solving logic instead of memorizing. It's not correct for finding middle. What does this condition actually mean is like slow dot next is equal to fast dot next. This checks do slow and fast currently point to the nodes whose next pointer is the same object. That is a pointer identity check, not a position int off list check. But for finding the middle, we don't care whether they point to the same next node. We care whether fast can keep moving 2 steps. When would even be true? This condition becomes true only in one specific situation, for example, very short list. Acha, yaar, it will not be same na, because this fast is next of next. This condition will never be true unless it is a 3 node. How dumb I thought. Bro, you are in 12th standard, just learning some backend stuff, chill करने के लिए scroll कर रहा था, आप मिल गए. भाई तुम 12th में हो तो तुम लोग क्यों यहाँ पे सब लोग ऐसे आ रहे हैं यार कि 12th में है and they are like building backend, learning Python, learning like doing LeetCode and all. भाई हम तो 12वीं में थे तब तो LeetCode वगैरह पता भी नहीं थे ये सब चीज़ें. Why aren't you just focusing on your boards and your other exams like G mains and all? That is more important, na? Nobody will ask you what you built while you were in 12th. You have to do what a 12th student should do. Focus on boards. Get good marks, get good grades. Hi, sir. Uh, is your name Pratik? No, my name is Rohit. Ash Jackson, my name is Rohit. I have pinned my LinkedIn's because some of the guys were asking. Samrat, do focus on your 12th. What exam you are going to give in 12th? Apart from the boards exam. So this condition though I understood. So fast shouldn't be null. Okay. Because fast will attend first. So fast shouldn't be null and then fast next shouldn't be null. So this condition is working. Let's submit it. Hi sir, my name is Rohit. चिल करने के लिए स्ट्रीम खोला रात को. भाई यू आर इन 12th क्लास, पढ़ाई करो भाई, रात को 2 बजे तक मत जगो. नो, आई गॉट कनेक्टेड विथ सम Y Combinator backed companies just by this tech stuff. Oh really? Nice यार. Nice. Keep working on it then. Keep working on it, but I'll still suggest to focus on your 12th. It's really important. I've seen people not focusing on the 12th boards exam, and once you it's the only chance to get you at good position. It can give you a good kickstart in life. Let's submit the question. Why Combinator back companies? Ranjit Ghosh, I read the message. सम्राट फोड़ा जोको के एक सर है क्या? जोको, अच्छा. let me tell my story. Yeah, yeah, please, please go ahead. We could have connected over meet, but it's very late now and I also have to sleep. एको हो रहा है, आवाज एको हो रहा है. It's, no, I to feel the voice is good. नहीं यार, सही से आ रही है आवाज. हाँ, टेल योर स्टोरी सम्राट क्विकली ना. And please do like the stream, whoever is like into all these things, please do like the stream. It's very important. I want to connect to the similar minded people. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं. दैट आई एम ट्राइंग. दिस ड्राइवर लिस्ट इज सजेस्टेड बाय सम गाय whom I met on stream. We connected on a Google Meet over the stream. LinkedIn में सेंड करता हूँ. लेट्स टॉक देयर. I'm recently getting very messages on LinkedIn, so keep it short, no? We'll discuss. I don't have 60% in my 10th. You don't have 60% in your 10th? How much marks did you have? Did you get in your 10th? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100? Bro started DSA, currently in second year BTech. Nice, yaar. Nice, nice. You can share your profile, Royal. What the fuck is your name? Whatever is your name, you can share your LinkedIn profile. I can quickly see your profile. Everybody can see your profile if it's really good. Mm, okay, 59%. It's okay, it doesn't mean anything. Hi sir, can you give me a path of Java backend? Cause I learn Java for backend. I leave my front end internship after 2 months for this reason. तुम लोग हिंदी में भी लिख सकते हो. आई नो 4 languages. हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश एंड तेलुगु. यू कैन write in 4 languages. I can still understand. It's not ki you have to write it in English. Hi sir, can you give me a path of Java backend? Cause I learn Java backend. I leave my front end internship after 2 months for this reason. You are going to leave your front end internship for this reason. For Java to see, there are two parts in Java: Java basic and Java advanced. Java basic is nothing but learning the basic concepts of Java, all the list, all types of data types that Java has and all that we are using while solving DSA question. The advanced Java is like Spring and Spring Boot. So all the servlets and Spring Boot. Basically, API creating APIs in Java is like this. So for base, you can literally follow me, Ash Jackson, because I am also doing same. I am a front end developer, and I'm getting again good hold on the Java. I did Java earlier. I have worked somewhat on Java, but yeah, again I have started. Yeah, yeah, Marathi totally. I can understand Marathi. I'm a Marathi. Divide an array into sub arrays with minimum cost. 3010. I'm not going to solve one more question here because I have to sleep now. I'm currently focusing on like 2 days uh, 2 days I'll be doing linked list only, because linked list has three types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list, and then circular linked list. I'll mark this problem na. Who sent this? Ranjit Ghosh. I'll do this, not today, but this week I'll do this sub arrays. Uh, Raj Prajapati. Hi sir, I am a second year student and working as a MERN stack developer. From the last 1 year, I don't have good 12th marks and I have a drop year. Will this affect my future or job opportunities? I didn't see your Ranjit LinkedIn profile. Maybe YouTube is not letting you add the links. Hi sir, I am a second year student and working. Let me answer this Raj first. He is some serious question. Hi sir, I am a second year student and working as a stack developer from the last 1 year. I don't have good uh, 12th marks and I have a drop here. Will this affect my future or job opportunities? Yeah, I wish it didn't affect your future job opportunities, but man, the company's background verification these days is very tough, and they see your graduation certificate and everything. The drop year is still fine, but I hope if you don't have any big, if you are not having some big plans or a normal path, I'll suggest you to have get a degree. If you have dropped, that's fine, but finish your degree. Whatever you are doing, just finish your degree. And that will help. The drop will not affect that much in long term. Just for the placement sake it can affect, but as you said, you are currently working as a stack developer, so it will be a least point of concern for you. So but the things that you in your hand right now is to finish your degree with try to get good pointer CGP or whatever the marking system you have. Try to get good marks. Okay, Raj Prajapati, uh, don't worry about the drop here because you can't change anything about that. Just focus whatever is next. Yeah, as Jackson, I'm Marathi. I think I told you. This is my LinkedIn profile. I didn't see the link, Ranjit. You can ping me on LinkedIn. After this stream, I'll see all the messages I received on LinkedIn. Samrat Coder again suggest Mac for dev work. Like how much RAM? Don't go for MacBook Air. Frankly speaking, MacBook Air is a shit laptop. Go for any pro version, and I'll suggest if budget is your constraint and if you still want to get a Mac, uh, it's not that worth it. You can get a good Windows laptop. अगर तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा कीड़ा है कि नहीं मुझे मैक बुक चाहिए ही चाहिए, तो आई सजेस्ट 2 वर्जन ओल्ड मैक प्रोसेसर ले लेना. जैसे अभी M4 चल रहा है प्रोसेसर. You don't really need M4. Every silicon chip is great. You can go for M2. If you get somewhere from the market, you will get at the discount of 1 lakh rupees. If not, you can try getting M3 as well. M3 Pro. Any Pro like M2 Pro, M3 Pro. As Jackson, मी BCom बॅकग्राऊंडचा आहे आणि मी फक्त मन केलं आहे. आता टेक्निकल सर्टिफिकेशन नसल्यामुळे MCA CET ट्राय करतोय. इज डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेशन रियली मॅटर्स? एक बेसिक डिग्री आहे. मराठीत क्वेश्चन विचारला तर मराठीत उत्तर देतो. लेट मी रीड इट अगेन. मी BCom बॅकग्राऊंडचा आहे, दॅट्स फाईन. मी फक्त मन केलं आहे. आता टेक्निकल सर्टिफिकेशन नसल्यामुळे MCA CET ट्राय करतो. इज डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेशन रियली मॅटर? ॲट दिस पॉइंट companies don't really care about what kind of certifications, what kind of degrees you hold. Just a basic graduation is fine. Graduation is like it is asked in the background verification. At that point only it's necessary. त्याच्यानंतर तुला डिग्री आणि हे कोणी विचारणार नाही आहे. तू प्रत्येक इंटरव्ह्यूमध्ये फक्त तुझ्या स्किल्सवरती जज होशील. तुझ्यासमोर काही प्रॉब्लेम्स क्वेश्चन विचारले जातील, तू सॉल्व करू शकशील, वेल अँड गुड. ते तुला विचारणार नाही तू किती डिग्रीज केल्यास काय नाही. सो फोकस ऑन अपग्रेडिंग युअर स्किल्स. ॲश जॅक्सन ना, ॲश जॅक्सनचं खरं नाव माहिती नाही मला काय, मी जे टॅग आहे तोच वाचत आहे. ॲश जॅक्सन. फोकस ऑन स्किल्स, लाईक ट्राय डुईंग सम प्रोजेक्ट्स अँड ऑल. तुला आता मन स्टॅक आहे, तर मन स्टॅक इज ऑल्सो गुड फील्ड. त्याच्यामध्येच एखादा चांगला प्रोजेक्ट किंवा काय तुझ्या रेझ्युमेवरती दाखवशील, जे तुझं चांगली गोष्टी आहेत ना ते तू रेझ्युमेमध्ये वरती दाखव. प्रोजेक्ट्स अँड ऑल यू कॅन शो इट ॲट द टॉप. 3-4 प्रत्येकाच्या लाईन तू टाकू शकतोस चांगल्या, की तू काय काम केलं असशील, काय काम केलं आहेस. बोल्ड लेटर हायलाईट करशील त्या वर्ड्सना. आणि जे तुझं सेकंडरी गोष्ट आहे, जसं बी.कॉम वगैरे जसं तू म्हणत आहेस, त्याला शेवटी टाकशील तरी एवढं काही फरक नाही पडणार. ठीक आहे. बिल्ड युअर रेझ्युमे व्हेरी वेल. Raj Prajapati, I'm doing both job and degree. Yeah, that's nice. I have drops after 12th. ओके. या तुझं हे पहा, तुला पहिल्या जॉबसाठी थोडाफार सॉरी, मी परत मराठीत बोलायला लागलो. राज, फॉर यू the drop can only affect you for the first placement. That too not that much, but a little bit. But after that, it will not affect you anyways. And as you said, you are currently working doing a job, so it will matter. It will never matter. It's not a what I'd say. It will never matter for you. Okay, it will not matter that much. Maybe 0%. So you stop thinking about your drops. Uh, as you have job in hand, finish your degree, and that's it. You continue working there, and then you can easily switch to another company as well. Relax, Raj. I am in 12th. Applied in few startups. I got call back from there. HR come forward. Deployed engineering. Yes, Zadhav. Yeah, thank you. I hope it helps you. Ash, Yash Zadhav. यश तो तू ऐश केलास, ऐश जैक्सन. नाइस. भाई तुम लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो यार, इतने छोटे उम्र के हो और इतना कुछ सोच रहे हो. गिव सम रेस्ट टू योर थॉट्स ना. क्रिकेट विकेट खेला करो कॉलेज में, कुछ फुटबॉल खेलो, क्रिकेट खेलो, ये सब भी चीज़ें कर लिया करो कॉलेज में. बस यही नहीं है ज़िंदगी में, करियर करियर. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, no problem. Do like the stream, but it's uh, I need people liking this stream, because then only YouTube will promote this type of content to others. So do like the stream. I don't like to say this again and again. Please do like the stream. Yes, Zado, please like Karun Jash's stream. Divide and array. No, I'll solve this later. Whoever sent this, na Ranjit Ghosh, I guess. So I'll solve this later. Where was I? Middle of this. This is done. Uh, reversal link list is the next one. So we'll do this probably tomorrow. I can see 7 people are watching, but now I am tired and I have office tomorrow. It's almost 3. I have to sleep. If anybody has a question quickly, I can answer. We can discuss something else. I'll have to stop the stream. Okay. And whoever like seeing Ranjit and all asking for LinkedIn and discussing, you can text me there. I can, after the stream, I'll see your texts. Okay, thank you all. Please do like the stream. Whoever is here, please do like the stream. Okay guys, bye bye. Good night all. Good night. Is there something new news? I have like this tendency to see the gold prices news. Gold prices right now. 162, it failed na, 183 to 162, and people are saying budget, new budget, new budget 2026 tax slabs are those changed or are those same? I wanted to know. New income tax 25 26 after budget 2025, after this taxable, after this new regime. This is same, I guess. This is not changed. Okay guys, thank you all. I'm ending the stream. I don't want to, but I have to. Where is the end stream button? End stream. Thank you all. Bye. Have a good night.